My house dinosaur presentation exiting extinction. Butterflies, aren't they wonderful? Oh dear, our trainer seems to have lost. There he is. Oh dear, it appears he is a little hungry today. There now, Gerald. Settle down. This dinosaur's name is, of course, Gerald. Gerald is a velociraptor. At least, that's what you all relate to him as, because you've all seen the movie Jurassic Park. Really, velociraptors were only about the size of a turkey and native to Mongolia. They existed there between 90 and 70 million years ago. Gerald here is actually a Deinonychus, a type of raptor found between 140 and 90 million years ago in what now is the continental United States of America. As you may be aware, dinosaurs' closest living relatives are birds. And as you know, birds are quite clever. Here at the Butterfly House, we have found that dinosaurs were extremely clever too. Isn't that right, Gerald? Our trainers have been working with Gerald on some amazing behaviors, and we would like to demonstrate them here today. But first, we're going to need a victim, I mean a volunteer from the audience. Who would like to help our trainers? Now, Gerald, this is not food. Gerald here has been learning to roll over. Isn't that right, Gerald? And we're going to get him to demonstrate that for you here today. Simply follow our trainer's hand signals and maybe we need to start with something a little easier. How? 1, 2, 3, Gerald, shake! You will hear our trainer whistle, which is known as a bridge. This tells Gerald he's done well. Well done, Gerald. Now, let's try rolling over one more time. Gerald, you practiced this morning, so we all know you can do it. Maybe this time, some extra encouragement from the audience might help. On the count of 3, we need you all to yell out as loud as you can, Gerald, roll over. Okay? Now here we go, everybody. 1, 2, 3, Gerald, roll over. Gerald's being a very bad dinosaur today. Another trick our dinosaurs have learned is to stand up tall on their hind legs. To demonstrate this, we need to use another hand signal and Gerald will stand up nice and tall. Okay, ready. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, Gerald, stand tall. Well done. Let's give him a big scratch and he might behave. Okay, how about a big clap for our volunteer? Great work. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can imagine, dinosaurs have a very short attention span, and we've been pushing the boundaries of that here today. So we'll have to return Gerald to his pen for feeding time. And if it's your feeding time, please feel free to head up